From that point of view
दोस्तों,
also,
effect of fraud or
but then
mystery
your
on
question, what will you do to that present law?
and there is a stand-up case
The
called Mahabir
Sanctum
Kishore versus,
Sanctorum
Mahabir Kishore versus
is going to have a place
So let's start.
for standing Ram, child Ram, who is of the age 4 to 5 years. And just in front of that will be the present Lord.
Baby.
Who will. And
दोस्तों, इसमें
the
हुआ ये
distinction is that
जो
one is
appellant
called
है,
Achal
state of
Murti.
MP एक tax
Achal
लगा,
means it will never from now
tax
on
was
move.
raised.
So the
उसको
pran
उन्होंने
pratishtha
बाद में
which is
कोर्ट
being
ने
done,
बोला कि नहीं ये गलत है.
that will be the Achal Murti.
But the point
It will not
इन
move
लोगों को जो
out
appellant
of the
को मालूम
sanctum
नहीं चला कि ये गलत है.
That's the standing one या baby
Standing.
वाला? Standing.
Standing.
वो अच्छा.
And
तो ये
what
जजमेंट
is
के 2
being,
साल बाद
what will come on that day,
पता चला
it will come on 22nd of January from the present temple. It will move to the sanctum sanctorum.
But
That is called Utsav. What is the meaning of Utsav Murti?
Festival.
That there could be occasions when in a festival the Tryst decides to take the procession of the Lord round, like you have in Jagannath Puri. So then Utsav Murti will go, but not the Achal Murti. So that is how both the Murtis, they will be there in the sanctum sanctorum, and there will be regular prayer and all the other ceremonies of the Lord, both for them separately.
Okay. Interesting.
They will be prayed, and there will be prayer for the existing, and there will be a prayer for the.
And both the murtis will be in the sanctum sanctorum.
Yes.
Both will be there.
Yes.
तो जब हम आगे जाएंगे, when we bow our head before the murtis, we'll be bowing our head before both the murtis.
Oh yes, oh yes.
And both will be visible clearly.
Yes, yes. They will be very clearly visible. Perhaps better visibility to the standing one. But you will be able to see what was there from 1947 onwards, which is supposed to have suddenly come out there at the side and Pragat ho gaye. And the second one is the one which is going to be now installed and consecrated.
Right. Now you said there are three murtis. Are these three murtis made of different material? Like is it granite, marble, bronze, brass, gold? What is
See, that process was a bit technical. The first thing that you were very careful was that the stone which is chosen must have certain minimum chemical qualities. For example, it must not absorb water. It must not react to the carbon which is there in the atmosphere, because all that will affect the durability, the life of the statue. So, with all those qualifications, we got the stones first collected. Those stones came from Japan. They also came from
गवर्नमेंट ने लॉ बदल दिया और उनको लग रहा है कि अभी पुराना ही
Krishna Shila.
मिस्टेक ऑफ फैक्ट और जजमेंट कोर्ट ने क्या कहा this to reclaim money
And they were all tested by National Institute of Rock Mechanics.
extra charge
It's the government of India
उसके बाद
institute,
कोर्ट रूलिंग में
specializing only on
प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अनजस्ट रिपोर्टिंग ए
doing the tests of various stones and determining their strength.
यहाँ पे अप्लाई
It is in Mysore,
ने अपने को अनजस्ट पेश कर
Karnataka.
दिया
So all these stones were tested, and after that, three stones which were selected, one from Jaipur, which is a marble, and two Krishna Shila from two places of Karnataka, that has come, and these three were given to three different sculptors. And they at the moment, they have been working for the last 2 months. At the moment they are working on that. And they have
It
been
must be under extreme secrecy.
Oh yes, oh yes. No one visits, no one takes photographs, no video, nothing is there.
यहाँ पे apparently
And it is
not
being
immediately
calm.
aware of the
So,
government changing government decision.
why a question would of course I can understand that the reason why all this is being done is that we want that those murtis to survive hundreds of years from now. अभी बन रही है पर वो 100, 150, 300 whatever सालों तक चले. You know that there shouldn't be anything which harms those. Why not the ashtadhatus which have lasted for so long? Why not metal?
एक तो हम लोगों ने मेटल का इस्तेमाल ही नहीं किया. आपको जानकारी होगी पूरे स्ट्रक्चर में आयरन नहीं
Because
क्योंकि आयरन की लाइफ जो है वो 94-95 years. हम तो 1000 years का टेम्पल बना रहे हैं. तो अष्टधातु के बनते हैं. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा, बहुत से भगवान की मूर्तियाँ अष्टधातु की हैं. लेकिन यहाँ पे इट वॉज थॉट that let us concentrate on the stone. The entire structure is also of special stone. So we would focus on the stone and not. It was debated, and finally after the debate in the trust, some of the saints, sages who are member of the trust, they expressed in favor of the stones. More from the durability point of view than anything else.
before I ask the next question, here is a short primer about the specs of the temple, which is under construction now, which is the area and things like that. So please watch this primer. The total area is 2.7 acres. Built up area is 57,000 square feet. The height of the temple, including the peak, is 161 feet. It has 3 floors with a height of each floor being 20 feet. So अभी आप मुझे अगर explain करें that how many artisans are working in this area. You can explain the plinth and you can explain the various structures. How long have they been working? Because I have been there several times in the past 15 years and I've been seeing जो pillar construction हो रहे थे and you know they were just lying there. जो ईंट आए थे, that also story I had covered. जो हर जगह से लोग लेके आए थे, you know that one
Yes,
trains में
from every village.
जिसमें लिखा हुआ था राम and from so I covered that story. I mean it's dating me right now. People will know how old I am. But I covered all those stories and I covered that pillars which were lying there and that entire area was infested with monkeys. They were like, it was scary to go and shoot there also. When I used to take the camera, डर लगता था to shoot because पूरे बंदर ही बंदर थे वहाँ पे.
One of the reasons we haven't provided the solar supply of power is because there are so many monkeys that it's a menace throughout Ayodhya and you can do nothing about them. There is certain feeling about it.
Yes.
So reverence.
Yeah.
So because of that, we avoided.
To do
Yeah.